Have you ever said yes to something and regretted it 2 seconds later? Can you help me move this weekend? Yes. Can you join this group project where you do all the work? Yes. Can you come to an event you don't even want to attend? Yes. And later you sit there thinking, why can't I just say no? It's strange, right? No is only 2 letters. Short, simple, easy to say. But somehow, it feels heavier than a school bag full of bricks. The truth is, saying no is hard because it feels risky. When someone asks you for something, your brain doesn't just hear the request, it also hears fear. If I say no, will they get upset? Will they think I'm rude? Will they stop liking me? Will this become awkward? So instead of protecting your time, your energy, and your peace, you protect their feelings. And that's how another yes escapes your mouth. A lot of people think they can't say no because they're too nice, but that's not always true. Many times it's not kindness. It's fear wearing a smile. There's a big difference between kindness and people-pleasing. Kindness is helping when you truly can. People-pleasing is helping when you can't, while silently suffering inside. Huge difference. Some of us learned this habit early. Maybe you were called good, helpful, easy to manage, or never causes trouble. Sounds like a compliment. Until you grow up and realize you became the person who says, no worries, when there are definitely worries. It's fine, when it is absolutely not fine. I can do it, when you're already tired. And the more you say yes, the more people expect it. Soon, some people don't even ask properly anymore. They assume, because every past yes trained them. Now here's the real reason saying no feels hard. No creates discomfort now. Yes creates discomfort later. If you say no, there may be silence, a weird facial expression, that awkward, oh, okay, 3 seconds of discomfort. But if you say yes when you don't mean it, now you lose hours, energy, peace, and sometimes your whole weekend. So many people choose short-term comfort and long-term stress, and they don't even notice it. Here's something powerful. Every time you say yes to something you don't want, you say no to something else. No to rest, no to your own plans, no to your priorities, no to mental peace, sometimes even no to sleep. That random favor might cost more than it looks. Now listen carefully. Saying no does not make you selfish. It makes your yes valuable. Because if you say yes to everything, your yes means nothing. But when people know you have boundaries, they respect your time more. And fake yeses are dangerous. You agree, then feel annoyed. You help, then feel used. You show up with frustration. They feel confused. Nobody wins. A clear no is healthier than a bitter yes. And no, you don't need to be rude about it. You don't need to say, no, leave me alone forever. You can simply say, I can't this time. Not today. I'm not available. I need to pass. That's it. Short, calm, respectful. No long explanation, no fake excuses, no pretending your internet has emotional problems. At first, saying no may feel uncomfortable. That's normal. You're using a muscle that has been ignored for years. And some people may react badly, especially the people who benefited from your constant yes. They may say, you've changed. And you can smile and think, exactly. Because growth often looks rude to people who liked your lack of boundaries. Also, here's a secret. Most people move on faster than you think. You say no once, they think about it for 5 minutes. You think about it for 5 days. That's the real problem. So next time someone asks for something, pause before answering. Take 1 breath. Check your schedule. Check your energy. Check your honesty. And remember this, people's disappointment is not your emergency. You are allowed to disappoint others sometimes, so you don't keep disappointing yourself. That one sentence can change your life, because freedom doesn't always come from saying yes to more things. Sometimes it comes from saying no to the wrong ones. And sometimes the smallest word creates the biggest peace.